to my channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add your email to your Facebook account. So firstly you want to go to your profile. So when you click on your profile, so what you do next is scroll down and you click on where you see edit profile. So scroll down. So when you scroll down, you click on edit your about info. So when you click on edit your about info, you scroll down again. So you go to where it says contact and basic info. So you click on that. So you see where your email is. So you click on the pencil beside it. So you click on add or remove emails. So you click on that. So you're just gonna wait for the page to load up. So it's going to take you to your account center. So click on add new contact, then click on add email. So you're just gonna type the email you want to use and click on your Facebook account, then click next. So when you click next, it's going to they're going to send a confirmation code to your email account. So just go to your email account and grab the code and paste it in here where it says enter confirmation code, then click on next. So as you can see, you've added your email to the account. Very simple. Please like this video. I'll see you in the next one.